Hello and welcome to your house. This is basically your house, so come on in. It's a 4-bedroom house located in Runda, and it comes with a DSQ and more details which you'll see during the tour. A few kilometers from Nairobi CBD and just approximately 1.9 kilometers of Kiambu Road. The SQ is next to the kitchen, and the property is in a gated community with security. Now let's talk about the price. The property is currently going for 20.2 million Kenyan shillings. So if you have 20.2 million, now you have a mirror here with these amazing decorations around it, plus the candles and the storage spaces down here. I don't know what you might decide to use this space. Then right here you have a dining area, and you can see it's a big space. It's a big dining space, and I think you might even double down and use this space as a study area. Yeah, you can study on the dining table. The dining space can fit like 8 chairs or even up to 10 if you arrange it, if you squeeze it correctly. There's a back door here which is next to your dining area, and it leads to the backyard. Let's go back inside so we can tour the rest of the house. All right. Now we have seen the backyard, the living room, and we are currently at the dining area. So from the dining, I will want you to come and see. So I'm gonna need you to come with me so that I show you the kitchen. And this is your kitchen. Then on my right hand side, we have the pantry. Behind me, there's a door that leads to the laundry area. And this is your laundry area. You have the tap right here. Just next to the laundry area, you have the SQ, which is Ensuite, and you have you can see your washroom right there. And it comes with a window for a nice view of the neighborhood. Now let's go upstairs so we can tour the 4 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are located upstairs. And don't forget to take note of the wooden stairs, which prevents you from slipping and falling down the stairs. So right here, this is your master bedroom. You can keep your stuff right here, and there's also a mirror attached to the closet. So I guess, hold on, that's all for today, and I'll see you again on the next one. So this house, like you've seen, it's a 4-bedroom house, goes for 20.2 million Kenyan shillings. So if you have 20.2 million, then we've just toured your future house. I'll leave my contact details on the description box, plus more information about this house. Then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Peace out.